Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use wallpaper engine on lock screen. So let's get started. So first of all, we'll just open here our browser. So from here, you need just open your browser and directly search for this. Okay. So here you can see how to use the here. So we can just open any video. So to set up this, you have to first install the app and you have to follow these steps in the video as shown. Okay, or you can just see. Okay, first of all, like you have to set like a wallpaper on your PC like this. So you have to open your monitor like here. Okay, so from here you have to go to general. In your general you have to scroll down, and from here you need to select as our override lock screen image. Here you tick that. Okay, tick that option. Then you have to just go okay, and that's it, set. So this is how we can just set it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.